True Jamaican vibes, Reid. Right now I'm in Gotha's, St. Elizabeth. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican vibes, Reid. So please enjoy the ride with me. I'm gonna take you all on top of Spur Tree. I think everybody's supposed to hear about that hill, Spur Tree Hill. But for me, it's a crazy hill at times. So you have to be careful when you're driving on Spur Tree. It's a very dangerous road. So slippery when wet. Please enjoy the ride, my people. True Jamaican vibes, Reid. On your left coming up, you can get your peanuts. You can get your fresh coconut. You know, say coconut good for the heart, my people. So you can look over on your left and get your coconut over there. So I'm very close to the border of Manchester and St. Elizabeth. So many things we can do in St. Elizabeth. We can go to Pelican Bar, and Pelican Bar is out in the middle of the sea, so you can use a boat and go over there and enjoy your time there. And you also can go to Lukauchi in St. Elizabeth, and also you can go to Lashings, Cheddar Beach, and also Jake's. So we're gonna take a stop at the gas station for a few seconds. So enjoy the view. So you have a Knoxford Express. So when you wanna go to Montego Bay, Kingston, Westmoreland, all over, you can take a Knoxford Express right at this gas station. On the road across from us, you can use that road and go to Lukauchi, Bunch of Grape, and also Oswald. You can get your steam fish. Yeah, you don't know, so steam fish are okra nice, sweet Jamaican vibes. If you're eating a steam fish, always remember your okra and your crackers. So you know them call it okra lady finger. So right now I am at the border of Manchester and St. Elizabeth. So we are now entering Manchester. Cool Manchester. So enjoy the ride to Spur Tree. So we're on top of the hill, and then on Spur Tree you can get a nice view from there. You can look all over in St. Elizabeth. You can look at Alpart. You can look at in Pepper. Get a nice view from Spur Tree. Very nice view. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Reid. So I want to big up all my subscribers and followers from the UK, USA, Canada, Panama, Haiti, and also big up my Jamaicans also. I want to big up everyone for watching this channel and let it grow. And in Spur Tree you also can get your jerk pork, your jerk chicken, your boiled corn, and your peanut porridge. So if you want your jerk chicken, you can go to All Season. They do nice jerk chicken and pork. One love, my people and heart. A lot of heavy unit drive on Spur Tree, so we have to look out of our eyes and also be careful on the road. Just obey the road code, my people, and enjoy the ride. We have some serious corners, some very serious corner, so we have to look out for them and approach it with caution. On your right, coming up, you can get your peanut porridge, your corn soup, your peanut, your raw peanut. So you all need to take a stop and enjoy the soup and the corn. Very tasty. No place too nice like a yard. Really hard man thing. I know many people cannot travel right now, but I'm just taking the time out. You know, the COVID-19 and everything kind of setback, so I'm just taking the time out to give you a view of Gotha's to Spur Tree. So if you're coming from Junction and Santa Cruz, you all need to take the route to Spur Tree. If you want to reach to Mandeville, Manchester. On your left, That's where they do some breakfast. So early in the morning, if you're going to work, you need to get a breakfast. You can stop here. So we are now approaching a very dangerous corner. So enjoy the ride. So when you're coming down Spur Tree, you gotta be very careful when approaching this corner. It's very dangerous. On your right, coming, you will see All Season Restaurant, our jerk center. In Spur Tree, you can get the best jerk pork and jerk chicken. And from right there, you can get a view right over in St. Elizabeth. And also, if you want to curry goat and roti, you can come to Spur Tree. Remember, when you come to Spur Tree, you need to stop on top of the hill and take some pictures of St. Elizabeth, Alpart. It's a nice view. You will see all of Alpart. Yeah man, real Jamaican vibes, very. Really hard man thing, you know. So Spur Tree is known for speeding, so you gotta be very careful. It is also good for exercising. You all have to keep fit. Cool Manchester. Place to be. from once you enter in Manchester, you can feel a different weather. Cool and nice. Thanks for enjoying the ride with Fire Reid, your Jamaican tour guide. One love and one heart, you know. Just take a drive to Manchester just to feel the nice weather, the nice climate. So it's so different. So you all need to take a drive to Manchester. Even for that, just take a drive to Manchester. My channel, True Jamaican Vibes. Like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.